This video is for demonstration purposes only and is for reference only. WG600S Industrial Variable Speed Peristaltic Pump, suitable for large flow liquid transfer in industrial applications. Driver dimensions. Main components on the front of the driver. Main components on the rear of the driver. Open the WG600S package and check all items against the packing list to ensure they are complete and undamaged. Driver, YZ35 pump head, product catalog, user manual, power cable, and accessories. During operation, leave at least 200 mm of free space at the rear of the product. Install the YZ35 pump head. Prepare the required accessories and tools. Fit the shaft protective sleeve onto the flat shaft end of the pump head. Align the flat shaft of the pump head with the slot of the driver coupling and push it in. Rotate the pump head to align the screw holes with those on the pump head bracket of the driver. Attach the pump head firmly to the bracket and tighten the 3 fixing screws. Rotate the lever to open the pump head, then tighten the 2 short screws with a screwdriver. Place the tubing smoothly into the pump head and straighten it, then move the lever in the opposite direction to the horizontal position. The pump tubing installation is now complete.